If we want to write the slope-intercept form from a table, the first thing we need to do is find the slope. To find the slope, we find the change in the y's, and we find the change in the x. So if we're looking at this table, let's first look at the y values and see the pattern of change over time or throughout the table. So we're trying to figure out how do we get from one y value to the next. So if I'm at 3 and go to 11, I have to add 8. To get from 11 to 19, I have to add 8. And it looks like I'm just going to keep adding 8 from 19 to 27. I add another 8, and same thing from 27 to 35, add 8. You can use a calculator if you need to find the difference between those values. Okay, now we want to find the change in x. So from -2 to 0, I have to add 2. From 0 to 2, I have to add 2, and from 2 to 4, I add 2, and from 2 to 6, I add 2. So the change in the x is 2. Now I can reduce this fraction. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So we're going to say that our slope is 4. Our y-intercept, you have to know this. Our y-intercept is when x is 0. So if you're at x equals 0, you're trying to figure out, hey, what's the y value there? So look in your table. We already see where x is 0. So that y value is 11. So to write our equation, you have to know the slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. M is your slope, b is your y-intercept. So that means our equation is y equals 4x plus 11. And that is your slope.